welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me thrift flipping things I found from a dollar store, because why not? So I took the string hanging pictures off because apparently the washi tape didn't stick. I'm gonna find some way to make it stick. Oh yeah, by the way, that thing is from my summer room decor video, which is my last video, so go and watch it. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, I'm turning this basket into a wire mesh picture hanger. I'm going to be cutting this basket into a rectangle like so. As easy as it can be, just cut out all the wire that attaches to the rectangle. Here I'm using some fairy lights / hanging pegs to clip on the pictures. If you watched my last video, this is just like the string hanging pictures DIY, except on a wire mesh. Here I just clipped on the pictures and items to decorate the wire mesh. I also added this watermelon popsicle keychain that I think looks very cute. For the second DIY, I'm giving this wooden box a new vibe with my acrylic paint, which are metallic, and a cloth. Since I'm using metallic paint, I'm painting on a white base coat. Then I'm just applying the colors that I want. Here I regretted using blue because it does not fit with the other colors. So I took my time to change the colors. At first, I still resisted how it turned out, but now I actually like it a lot. I saw this quote in the dollar store and I really liked it because this quote means that we should focus on our day and leave tomorrow to tomorrow. So yeah, I'm definitely writing this onto the wooden box. Found this diamond shaped paper clip and I thought it'll look nice on this corner, so why not? As you guys know, I'm trying to do the environment a service. Or maybe you don't know, but I am, so I decided this would be the last thrift flip. I found this iron-on sticker in the dollar store and I really liked it, or else why would I even buy it? Well, anyways, I just cut it out and now playing around with the spacing. Thought having a word as the main thing for this side of the tote bag would make it look better. Since those stickers are all about fresh summer vibes, I thought the word refreshing would fit as the word. It took me a while to figure out how to do this, but basically you'll need to heat the ironing machine up, iron the sticker with a cloth in between, and using the time when the iron-on sticker is still hot, take the plastic sheet off. And there you have it. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the button down below to watch my future videos. Bye!